Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday morning and it is 9:15 and we are in a storm. I am telling you, I am going 20 miles an hour because the rain is so bad. The car in front of me, you can hardly see it. This is one of my vlog days, my random vlog, but this is what's happening today in Florida at 9:15 a.m. in the morning. This is rain. We are having a storm. Take a look. This is this is rain. We are having rain. I am being very careful on the road because as you can see, you can hardly see anything. Enjoy the sound of the rain. No lightning, no thunder. It's just rain and it's nice rain. Nice. It gets better in some places. As you can see, some places are worse than others. Just dropped my son to work. Oh my god, this guy's gonna get soaking wet. He's gonna need to change clothes. Oh, he's going to get soaking wet because he's in the rain walking, trying to go. The parking lot is full of water. And this is Saturday. Today is July 7th? Saturday, July 7th. Yes. And I just dropped my son to work and I'm heading back home. It started raining before we left home and it is still raining, and I mean rain. It is pouring a storm. Some places more than others. So I'm driving back home. I am taking my time. And there is water everywhere. It's like for half an hour it's been raining, but it's already the rain came down so heavy that it is flooding already. We have flooding already. And everybody's driving slow, including me, because there's a lot of water on the street. So I'm taking my time. Get home, I'll put this off, so y'all are coming with me for the ride back home. Drove out and we are driving back. Oh my god, all this water. I don't know which side of the road to, which side of the lane to stay in because it is pouring. Ooh. The rain sounds good, but it's nice rain. I'm gonna go home, have me a nice big cup of coffee, and I am going to edit this. If I need any editing from this, so I'll post it up so y'all can see. This is gorgeous. I mean, I like no light. Oh, that was lightning. I was about to say I like no lightning, but Jesus. That was a piece of lightning. Oh, now comes the thunder. Ooh. It started with no lightning, no thunder. That kind of rain I love. Now there is lightning and thunder. Ooh, gotta get home. Okay, the light is mine, everybody. Okay. I gotta stay safe on this road. I am taking you all for the drive with me. My windshield can't go fast enough because the rain is how much the rain is falling. I can hardly see in front of me because it is just pouring. We have a light fog, a light mist, if you want to call it that. We actually have one this morning in Florida. Now move, I am coming. Woo. That's the road with water. That's That's how it's making my car sound. So I'm the only car on this stretch, except my car is all the one to the side, but you can't see it. Wow, there's a lot of water. Lots of water on the road. Okay. It's getting better over here, the rain. Stand this side right here again. That's a lot of water over here. Okay, I can turn this windshield wiper. See, it's clearing up now. As I drive more and more, it's clearing up more and more from one place to the next. And then here it is again. That was a little break that I got. I have cars in front of me, just can't see them. I have one all the way up ahead and then one right here, so two, but you just can't see them. Let me see if you can see them now. Yeah, over here is a little better, less rain. Less rain. This is good. It's getting better. I hope. Ooh, that's my car going from one side to the other because there's so much water. Gotta slow down. Slow down. Man at work. AT&T. The light is mine, thank God. I was going too fast there when my car splashed water from one side to the next. I have to stay going slow because that is not a good thing. So now I'm in from one section to the next. This is what we're looking like. I'm just driving back home. Oh, two people from who went to work and walking back and getting soaked. Wow, you see all that water that car is splashing? I am going to switch lanes because I don't want to be in that water. Nobody is coming anyway. See all that water, you see this? I don't know if you can see the car splashing water when it drives, but I'm switching lanes. The guy back there doesn't want to because he wants to see all that splash good. My car splashing water. I don't know if you can see it. Although I'm going slow. Oh my God, this is my car splashing water. And I'm only going 30 miles an hour. The whole side full of water. I can't go nowhere, so I hope my engine is fine. Oh my good Lord. Okay, I'm getting ready to be home. I don't mind driving in rain, but right now it's just flooded. It's flooded. If you live in Florida, you're gonna drive in all kinds of rainy weather. But with all the wet water on the road, it's really dangerous. When you can't switch lanes, you have to drive through. Like now, that's me driving through a puddle of water. Ooh, okay, I am pulling into the development. Gotta be home. Lots of water on our streets, but it's draining properly. Thank God. I go as close to this as possible because I'm in the corner. Wow. not even gonna reverse. I'm going straight in. I want to get out from this weather. Wow. Okay, we should be good right here. I am home. Thank you all for taking the ride with me. I am safe, all is well. I pray for everybody else who's out there in this weather that they can get to where they're going safe and be safe. And that's it. Thank you all. See you all soon.